Hello and welcome to another CloudGin video tutorial. Today's lessons will be learning how to add photos and notes through the mobile application to work orders. The first option we have is adding photos to a work order that we're newly creating. So what we want to do is you go into your GIS map, you get to your asset, and you find your asset uh, you want to add your note or you're creating a work order to. So this one here, we're just going to choose the curb stop. We're going to create a new work order. We'd fill this out as we always fill out our work orders. So once it loads up, we'll fill out our work order. Okay, so we went ahead and pre-filled in some of our information needed. Again, anything with a red star is mandatory. So our activity type we see on our screen is the curb stop replace. It is an emergency, right? If we were out there going to our duty call, we want to take a photo of this and attach it to the work order. So when the crew that comes to fix it, they could see the actual repair that was happening, if it's gotten worse or better since the duty guy was there last. So we filled out this information just like you know how to do already in creating a work order. We go hit submit at the top. Okay, so now we go into the second phase. That P1 is now being created. And now we want to go to the tab at the top. Right now we're in the Assets tab, but you see right across, before we do anything else, we want to go right to that Photos tab at the top and go ahead and click that. Now we go into our Photos tab and we see we have nothing there. We want to click the New button. So we'll go ahead and click New. And at this point, you can see that to the top left, it says photos is checked off. So that's what we want. We're going to add a photo to this. And then right underneath it is type. So go ahead and click on type and go ahead and click in that and hit search. And then here's your different types. So right now we have an investigation photo. That's what you're doing as the duty guy. Now you can come over here and click the camera with the plus button to take your photo and or add it from your gallery. So if we were going to add it from our camera, we could simply just click on the camera. It's going to open up. You're going to see that we got our camera that comes up on board there. Just taking a little, and then if we just click the camera right on the bottom of the screen there, we take that. And now it's taking that picture. Now, if you look to the top right of this screenshot here, we have some options here now. We have a text box. We can add a text box with that big T. So go ahead and let's click on that big T. And we can type in, you could choose what color or font you want on this. So if you wanted to do red, I just clicked on that little red dot. You can see how it pops like that. And we could say test photo right here and just hit return, or the keyboard on the bottom there. We hit return and the keyboard on the bottom. Now you can see it says test photo. Now on my iPad, I'm actually taking my finger and I'm putting it on that word test photo, and I can drag that to where I want, anywhere on the picture. So if I just said test photo right there, I drag it right there. Now it stays right there. If you were naming an asset or something, you could just put it over the asset or anything like that. So we have test photo, we just drag it there. And then now if we wanted to draw an arrow, you got the little pencil there. You can click on the pencil, and then you can actually, again, with your colors down underneath, click on the color red maybe, and then you could draw your little arrow there. And that's how you could do it. Now, once you're done, you've edited your photo, you could just simply hit the word done in the top right corner. And then we have the arrow button on the bottom in this white circle. We have an arrow to add it to the work order. And now we see this, what we have here. This would be our investigation photo. We simply hit submit, and you've now successfully added that photo to this work order, and you can continue your process now to schedule this to the crew coming in, or if it's just a draft photo, that it would just go in a draft, but you added the photo while creating the work order, and that's how you do it. Well, thank you for watching this video, and if you need any other video tutorials or training, please check out the Mid-State Hub. Thank you.